Hello children. Discuss the surface area of a cylinder. We know that in a cylinder there are two circular faces, one at the top and one at the bottom. And these two circular faces are identical to each other. The top and bottom circular faces are identical to each other. Now let us find the surface area of this cylinder. Let us divide this cylinder, top face, bottom face, and let us cut the middle face. We can see there that if you cut the cylinder vertically, you get the middle one as a rectangle. Here we need to understand only two things: the length of the rectangle and what is the breadth of the rectangle. The length of the rectangle is nothing but the circumference of the circular base. That is nothing but if you extend that curved surface on both the sides, you will get a rectangle. And breadth of the rectangle becomes the height of the cylinder. So let us assume the height of the cylinder as h and the radius of the circular base as r. So therefore, the breadth of the rectangle becomes h and the length of the rectangle becomes 2 pi r, because the length of the rectangle is also the circumference of the circular base. So which is 2 pi r. Circumference is 2 pi r. Now let us see the total surface area. Total surface area is nothing but sum of areas of all the three faces. For the bottom face, the area is pi r square because it is in the form of a circle. As there are two circular faces, let us write the area as pi r square plus pi r square. And now the middle face, the middle one is in the form of a curved surface. So therefore the area is 2 pi r into h. Why? Because the curved face is also, the curved surface area is also the surface area of the rectangle. So L into B can be written as 2 pi r into h. So therefore the total surface area is pi r square plus 2 pi r into h. Taking 2 pi r as common, will be left out with 2 pi r into r plus h. This is the total surface area of the cylinder, and curved surface area is 2 pi r into h. The curved surface area can be written as perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter is nothing but circumference. So 2 pi r into height. An example of total surface area of a cylinder. The radius is given as 14 centimeters and the height is equal to 30 centimeters. As discussed, surface area of the cylinder is sum of areas of all the three faces. So it is 2 pi r into r plus h. So pi value is 22 by 7. Substituting r and h values, we'll get 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 plus 30. 14 is the radius and height is 30 centimeters. So therefore after cancellation we'll get 2 into 22 into 2 into 14. Why? Because 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. So after final calculation we'll get it as 3872 centimeter square. Thank you.